In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract text from an image with UPDF AI. If you've ever needed to turn a photo or screenshot into editable text, this walkthrough will show you a quick, reliable way to do it using a simple web tool. We'll move through each action clearly, and I'll share helpful tips along the way so you get the best possible results. First, open your preferred web browser and go to updf.com. Make sure your internet connection is stable, and if you have an ad blocker or strict privacy extensions, keep in mind they can sometimes change how pages load. Once the home page appears, give it a moment to fully render so all the navigation links are clickable. Next, look at the top navigation bar and click UPDF AI. This opens the AI workspace where the tool can analyze files and images using advanced recognition technology. If you don't immediately see the option, scroll a bit or ensure the page is set to the correct region and language. The AI section contains several capabilities, and we're going to choose the one designed for visuals. Among the available options, click Chat with Image. This is the feature that lets you give the AI a picture and then ask questions or request actions related to that picture. Think of it as a chat window built specifically for working with images, including reading text inside them. Now upload your image. You can use the upload button or drag and drop a file directly into the window. Clear, well-lit images produce the most accurate text extraction. If possible, use high-resolution files like PNG or JPG. Make sure the text is not cut off, and rotate the image so it's upright. Avoid uploading sensitive or confidential information, and do a quick check that the text is legible before proceeding. With your image loaded, type a prompt asking the AI to extract the text from the image. Be specific about what you need, such as extract all text from this image and preserve line breaks, or extract only the text inside the table. If the image contains multiple languages, mention them. You can also request formatting preferences, like keeping paragraphs or noting headings. After you submit your prompt, the AI will analyze the image and return the detected text. Review the output to ensure accuracy. If something looks off, try a sharper or higher contrast image and avoid heavy shadows or glare. That's all there is to it. Go to updf.com, open UPDF AI, choose Chat with Image, upload your image, and prompt the AI to extract the text. You're ready to turn images into editable content quickly and efficiently.